Hi, and welcome to the core chemistry course. So, let me explain a little bit why of this course and if this is right for you. So, the core concept of chemistry, they're covered in every year that you study chemistry. Year 9, university level. So, with this course, I really want to help you to consolidate the basics of chemistry to build strong foundations for every year that you're studying. So, apart that, all of these skills that we will cover and all of these topics will be present in the exam if you're doing GCSE, if you're doing A levels, which means that it's essential to be confident with all of these basic concepts. So, together we will go through step by step all of the concept. I will also help you in taking keynotes and we will keep it very simple. We will just cover on these key concept and mastering these key skills that you need for these exams and to study further chemistry. So let me show you how it works. In this course, we will cover the chemistry essential, so mastering core concept covered in year 10 and 11 to prepare for GCSE exam and to start AS chemistry, which means that this is right for you if you are in year 9 and you've already started GCSE content but you're going into actual GCSE, or if you're in year 10 and you're going into year 11, so you need to prepare for the GCSE exams. But this is also for you if you're starting A levels and you wanted to cover the key concept from GCSE to have very strong foundations for your A levels. Okay, so how it works, we will cover some of the essential topics, more to come, but those are I would say, the major topics: atomic structure, periodic table, reactivity of atoms and bonding, chemical reactions and observations, calculations in chemistry, energy in chemical reactions. So we'll cover also rate and then the energy, and equilibrium in chemical reactions. There will be a part later on with organic chemistry and others, but those are the main concepts that you need for your, I would say, year 11 and your AS chemistry if you're starting. So those are the major topics because they are carried along every single year and every single topic that you cover in chemistry. So for each topic, we will do key things. So each topic is divided into some key skills that you need to do. For example, in the atomic structure, the essentials are describe the structure of the atom, find the number of subatomic particles from the atomic and mass number, write the electronic configuration, describe how ions form. So for each of these concepts, we will do keynotes and we will do some practice, okay, to really consolidate the skill. And these are the notes. And you may say, what? They're empty. Am I taking a course where there are no notes? Well, we will do these notes together because to keep it very simple and to keep you engaged, I think we needed to do it together. So I also want you to really learn how to take the best notes possible, to be simple and concise. Okay, so for each note we will do it together. So we will be drawing, we will be explaining, just so to keep you a bit more engaged. So in terms of structure of the notes, this is what we'll do. We will have a major topic, so in this case, atomic structure. Then we will make the title. So it's really important that you keep the hierarchy in your notes. Okay, always relative to the main topic. Remember that if you take notes from your book, this applies. What's the major topic? What's the subtopic? Yeah, that you're making notes of. So, for example, in this case, we have the structure, describe the structure of the atom. Great. So, our title would be describe the structure of the atom. Or it could be simply what's the structure of the atom. Okay, so for each lesson, we will do that. And then we will be drawing, we will do things together, and then we will do some exercises. For example, I tell you, take the periodic table and tell me or describe the structure of lithium, for example. And then you would take the periodic table and do it and wait for my explanation. Okay, so this is in a nutshell how everything will work. It will be nice and engaging, and you would feel just like if you're having a private lesson with me. So after this, there will be a workbook. Let me show you. This is the workbook that will help you apply the concept that we've covered during the lesson. So you have the list of all of the topics all in one place, because it's really important that you keep the overview of how far of the course you've gone, and the things that you still need to cover. Maybe you can make some notes of the things you're confident, the things you're not. So having an index is really important for the overview. So after that, you have a reminder of how it works. So it's really important that you prepare yourself first. You need to familiarize yourself with the common topics, again, by looking at the index. You need to organize yourself. So set up a distraction-free study area with your study material, because you need to take the notes. So that's a reminder of the whole process. Engage. So in these videos, you will need to take notes. You will need to attempt the exercises. And then you can summarize it. So what you could do is just either write down or just think about, okay, what did I learn today? And then practice. And that's where this workbook is really important, because you will need to work on exercises to apply what you've learned. Okay, so keep consistency. It's important that you allow like a regular time for the coursework, and to regular revisit the notes for better retention. And here I can help you with understanding spaced repetition and how to organize the revision sessions, of which topics to do. I will help you in the follow along videos. And then of course you can ask for clarification, so make sure you seek help. So this is the workbook, and those are all of the exercises that you will need to go through, and with the solutions as well. So it's important that you mark yourself, and you just cheer when you got it right. And if you got it wrong, no problem. Understand your mistake, because doing mistakes and correcting them is what really, really make you learn. Okay, so I look forward to see you in the first video. And if you have any questions, doesn't hesitate to ask.